Hey guys, it's Sandy. I know it's been a while. My mom came to visit, and when she does, she usually stays in this room, which makes it a little difficult for me to film or edit or really just be in here. So now that my mom's gone home, I can get back into filming. So this video is going to be my July Boxycharm unboxing, and this month's theme is road tripping. And in this box we got 5 items. I'm wearing 3 of the items from this box today. So let's just get into it. The first product listed is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And it comes in this little tube here. Gel retails for $42. So what it says on the card is, say goodbye to puppy and say hello to youthful, rested-looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under-eye bags and dark circles. I guess we'll have to keep trying it to see. I don't know. So I tried it the other day, and it does give a cooling sensation, but granted, you know, it's one-off time that I used it, didn't really do much, or like I feel like it didn't do much. So, I don't know, we'll see. The next thing is this Crown Brush, or Crown Pro eyeshadow palette called the Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. Let me get a little closer. And it reads, made up of rich, warm tones, this creamy, high pigment palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals. I'm wearing it on the eyes today. Here, let me zoom you guys in really quickly. And they are really pigmented, really creamy, really blendable. I am pleasantly surprised by it. So the Fuego Eyeshadow Collection retails for $29.99. And yeah, I really like it. I've used it. This is my second time using it. And well, the eye look that I did yesterday is very similar, but I used more of this shade right here today. First 3 shades. Next 3. Okay, last 4. Last 4. The next thing we got is this mascara from Wander Beauty called the Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. And I'm wearing it on my eyes today. It did a really good job on my lower lash line at separating and making them stand out. Here's what it says on the mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. And it retails for $24. Now the next thing is a blush from Note Cosmetics in the shade Desert Rose. It is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. That's what it looks like. It even comes with its own little brush, but I don't ever use this. Feels really, ugh, no, don't want that. But the blush is really nice. It's really pigmented. I'm wearing it today, and I like it. This blush retails for $11.99. Here's what it says about it. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous, paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. Well, I mean, I wouldn't use the brush unless I was in a pinch, but you know, whatever. And the very last thing that we got in this month's box is from Cella Beauty, and it is a eyebrow cream. I did not use that today. It comes in tantalizing taupe, which I think is a little too light for me right now. So here's what it says. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. And it retails for $26. So it comes in this little tube, and one side has the brush, which is a little too wide for me to want to use it on my brows. And then on the other side is the pomade. You see way back there? Personally, this isn't really something that I would use. Let me swatch this real quick. It's so hard to dip in there. Just kind of makes a mess. Very cool tone shade, but I would never use this brush to apply that. That's horrible. I don't like it. So this month's box is worth $133.98. You know, I love Boxycharm. I can't tell you enough how it's a really great deal. You always get over $100 worth of products, and you only pay $21 a month. It's my favorite subscription box. Mentioned before, I had Ipsy, canceled it, and now I just have this in Sephora Play. So I think it's the best value that you can get for the price. So if you haven't had Boxycharm, or if you've been wanting to try Boxycharm, I highly, highly recommend it. So that wraps up this month's Boxycharm unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you later. Bye.